Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to online class of Social Studies of class 5th. Hope you all are doing good at your home. Students, in this video, I am going to give you lesson number 3 question answer and book exercises. The explanation of this chapter is over in your live class and question answer also over, but some students having issue because of network problem. So that's why I am going to give it in this video. Those have not done, they can write all the question answers and book exercise from this video. Not further delay, take out your book and open lesson number 3. Here your lesson 3 is the Iron Age. This explanation, 2-paper explanation is over in your live class. Now today in this video I am going to give you exercise and then question answers. Now first of all, here multiple choice question you can see. Your first question is the Iron Age come after the Bronze Age. Here you can see Bronze Age. Next, the institution of family, religion and state come into existence during the Neolithic Age. Now next page. The beginning of the Iron Age was dash all over the world. So answer is not simultaneous. Fourth, iron implements were made in central Anatolia around 1800 BC. Fifth, there was an extensive use of technology of iron in Asia and Europe. Answer is at the same time. Here you can see. Okay, now next question answers I will give afterwards. First of all, complete your book exercise. See question, read the following statement carefully and mark tick on the true and wrong on the false one. So tick and wrong you have to mark. The first is the Iron Age was a prehistoric period, right. Second, the Iron Age followed the Mesolithic period, wrong. Third, during the Neolithic Age, human knew the art of smelting and refining, wrong. Fourth, in the archaeological records, smelted iron appeared at irregular intervals, right. Fifth, iron production began at large scale in around 1200 BC, right. These are the tick and wrong. Now next, fill in the blanks. Students, you will not get the help box in your exam, so you all have to learn all the answers yourself. Your first question is the Iron Age was a prehistoric period. Here you can write, don't write wrong spelling, you have a help box, you can write from that help box. Second, Neolithic people developed the art of knitting and weaving. Third, since 3200 BC, meteoric, here you can see meteoric iron was used by humans. Fourth, the beginning of Iron Age was not simultaneous all over the world. Fifth, the Mauryan dynasty saw advances in the field of metallurgy. So these are the answer of your fill in the blanks. Now next, here match the columns. You all have to write the numbers on the right side of the column B. The Iron Age followed, here you can see, the Iron Age followed the Bronze Age. Next, during the Iron Age, weapons and tools were made of, here, iron. Now next, development of agriculture created a settled mode of life. Iron was cheaper and strong. In southern India, the use of iron began in 12th and to 11th century species. So these are the exercise of your lesson number 3. Hope now you can do it. After taking a screenshot you can do it. Now question answers. Come on, question answers. Here are your questions. Now here answers. Your first question is, when did the Iron Age come? So the answer is, the Iron Age is a prehistoric period that followed the Bronze Age, means it come after the Bronze Age. Now next, mention any 2 features of Neolithic Age. So the answer is, the 2 features of Neolithic Age are, number first, the development of art of knitting and weaving. Second, the development of agriculture and domestication of animals. Third, write about the beginning of the Iron Age of India. The answer is the beginning of Iron Age in India is marked between 1200 BC to 200 BC. Okay. Now next, fourth question. You can take a screenshot, students, to write all three answers. Now next, fourth question here. Write in brief about the know-how, means knowledge, of iron smelting in India. Student, smelting means extraction of metal from its ore. Okay. In India, how know? Means in India, knowledge of iron smelting and manufacturing of iron artifacts were known in the eastern Vidyas, and iron had been in use in the central Ganga plain around the 2nd millennium BC. Okay. Now fifth, what was the impact of the widespread use of iron? The widespread use of iron gave a new flip of the development of civilization all over the world. Hope you get it. You can take a screenshot. Now come on, brain opener questions. Here are the questions. Now here is the answers. Your first question is, the Iron Age was the period of progress and development discussed. So the answer is, the people began to use tools made by iron. There were an extensive use of technology of iron. People learned how to produce and purify iron and metals. These changes made progress and development in the history of human being. Now second, what were the major differences between the Neolithic and Iron Age? So the answer is, Neolithic age used stone tools, not known about the art of smelting and refining, while Iron Age used the iron tools, they know metallurgy. So this is the difference between Neolithic age and Iron Age. I hope you all get all the question, answer and book exercise of this chapter. Now you all are able to do all the answers. So students, it is sufficient for today, and I hope you all know about that your 4 chapters are coming in your unit test first. You all have to prepare that well. From in next video, I will give you revision of your lesson number 1st, 2nd book exercise. Okay students, thank you. Have a nice day. I will meet you in my next video.